In our next example, we've got a couple of more things happening here. We have y is equal to a negative 2 times the absolute value of x minus 2 plus 1. So, again, I'm going to identify my h, my k, and my a variables so I know what this graph is about to do. Again, so in this situation where the general form of this equation is a times the absolute value of x minus h plus k, I'm going to look to just match things up here. My a value, which goes in front of the absolute value, a is now a negative 2. What does this tell me? This tells me that because of the negative sign, we will be opening down for this graph, and a positive 2, a is now greater than 1, which means we will have a skinnier graph than that of y is equal to the absolute value of x. So that is a. It tells us a lot. Now, looking for my vertex, h comma k, again, which is the corner point, h is associated with x, and it's always x minus the h value. Here we have x minus 2. Since it's a minus h and a minus 2, we know that h is positive 2. So h is 2. And my k value, which is on at the end, and it's a plus k value, I have plus 1. And so I know that it's going to have a k value of positive 1. Again, it just follows the form. 1 has now replaced k, so k is equal to a positive 1. Using this, I know that my vertex is going to be at the point 2, 1. So my corner point is here at 2, 1. Graphing that point, I go 1, 2, and up 1. Now, what we're going to have is a negative 2 slope from here on out for everything that is less than the vertex, and a slope of the opposite of that. What we're going to have now that we have our vertex here at the point 2, 1, again, from what we had found, okay, what we're going to have is a negative 2. So this will be opening down. We're going to have the opposite of what we see. The opposite of a negative 2x means a slope of positive 2x for everything to the left of the vertex, and a slope of negative 2x for everything right of the vertex. So that means going to the left, I'm going to go down 2 and left 1. Again, because for everything left of the vertex, it's going to be the opposite of whatever we see here. Okay? And so we go down 2 more and 1 more over to find ourselves at this point. And now I have my 3 points, and I can graph my line. Whoop. Okay. As well as, now graphing to the right, we're going to see a slope of negative 2 times x. So as we go 1 to the right this time, we're also going down 1, 2. And we go 1 to the right, and we go down 2 more. And there you have it, the graph y is equal to a negative 2 times the absolute value of x minus 2 plus 1.